All right, welcome to another lesson. Today we'll be working on C Major Pentatonic scale. Pentatonic scale is just a 5-note scale where we have the root, the second, the third, the fifth, the sixth, and the root, that's a repetition. So you can realize a pentatonic scale from your 7-note regular scale by doing away with the 4th degree and also the 7th degree. For C, we have this. That's a 7-note regular scale. So we do away with the 4th degree and the 7th degree. We are left with this. So that's a pentatonic scale. Another thing that you will love to do is to stick around the scale by playing some technical exercises. All right, let's do it together. All right, that's the size of the lesson for today. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. Tell friends and loved ones who may have need for this lesson. Also, advise them to subscribe to this channel and also turn up the notification button. Happy shading. Enjoy.